In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an exponent in Google Docs to give your mathematical or scientific documents that professional and precise touch. Whether you're drafting an academic paper, working on a presentation, or just jotting down some notes, knowing the right way to format exponents is super handy. So, let's dive right into it. First things first, let's start by clicking into the text box where you want your exponent to appear. It's important to position your cursor right where you intend the text to start, so there's no confusion later on. For example, if you're writing an equation or an expression that involves a base and an exponent, you need to decide exactly where in your text you want this to appear. With your cursor in position, you're ready to type. Now, enter the base text. Let's say you're working with a variable like x, or perhaps a number like 5. After you've typed your base, you'll go ahead and enter the number or character that you want to use as your exponent. For example, if you're writing x squared, you would type x followed by 2. Don't worry about the formatting just yet. We'll take care of that in the next few steps. Once your base and exponent are both typed out, you'll want to highlight or select only the number or character you intend to format as the exponent. This is crucial because the formatting change you're about to make will only apply to the highlighted section, leaving the rest of your text as it is. The next step is where the magic happens. Head up to the menu bar at the top of the Google Docs window and click on Format. In the drop-down menu that appears, navigate to Text and then click on Superscript. As you do this, you'll notice your selected character or number lift up and shrink, taking its rightful place as an exponent. And there you have it. Right there, your character is now in superscript, and it looks much more like a textbook example. However, there might be instances where the default size or position doesn't perfectly suit your needs. If that's the case, don't hesitate to adjust the font size or position of the text to achieve a better visual fit. Sometimes this extra touch can make a substantial difference, especially if you're aiming for that polished, professional look in your document. By following these steps, you've not only formatted an exponent in Google Docs, but also learned a valuable formatting skill that can be applied across various documents and projects. Thanks for tuning in, and happy writing.